So this is a package from Native Foods Nursery with a bunch of different berries, and we're gonna open it up. So we got here, this looks like Salal. As you can see that. We got black huckleberries. Got 2 small huckleberries. Here is a salmonberry. So now that we got everything out, let's take a look at what we got here. So first off, we got a beauty and a beast honeyberry. Honeyberries are becoming more popular and they are a pretty cool berry. I've gotten some from another nursery. I'll just show you. They weren't in this size pot. These ones are just up potted. They have a little bit smaller root base than this, so just kind of giving you a comparison. It's an alright kind of comparison. Like actually seeing the root base of these ones, this is solo here. It's fairly similar. I'd say these ones are a little bit smaller. They still look really good. They transited really well, so totally fine with that. Different flavors, Beauty and Beast, which are, I believe, the University of Saskatchewan varieties. So, going on to the next things, we got 2 small Thimbleberries. These are pretty cool things that are like raspberries. You can see them a lot on hikes. Different, they can get really big. They're definitely really small. Was hopefully expecting bigger, but still pretty cool. You don't often see these on an online nursery. Next, we got a berry that probably isn't as familiar to most people. It's called Salal, unless you're from the Pacific Northwest. It's kind of a blueberry-like plant. It needs some level of acidic soil. Berries are used by indigenous people. It sounded like a cool, interesting thing to grow. Some people like them. A little bit different than a blueberry, but yeah, different family, but looks interesting. Next, we got Salmonberry. So this is all grown in North America, kind of like a raspberry, similar to a Thimbleberry. This one's a little bit bigger. Looks all right. I mean, trying to get a plant like this, I don't know many places where you can get a salmonberry, so go figure. And then we got what I think is almost like crown jewel, even though it's pretty small. It's a black huckleberry. So you can find these a lot in Idaho, Montana and stuff, but they haven't been domestically cultivated. So this is a pretty much big experiment. These are small plugs. I'm gonna be careful taking them out. And I don't know how they'll do. It's complicated because not a lot of places sell these. Not easy to find. And it's very much an experiment with trying to grow them. What I've heard is from people trying to dig them up in the wild that they don't often transplant well. So that's gonna be an experiment. So this is my order from Native Foods Nursery. I think it's pretty interesting. I mean, some of the plants are kind of small, but overall it's pretty cool because they got some interesting things. Like we got the Honeyberry. There's definitely other places you can get some for good deals. You got the Thimbleberry. If you know a place where you can get them online, I mean, I don't know, Salal's interesting, and Salmonberry's interesting. Again, kind of an early raspberry type of thing. They look pretty cool. And black huckleberry, I mean, I don't know where you're gonna find that. So we'll see how all these end up doing.